Hello viewers, welcome back again. All English practice with Sharif. Today I would like to discuss all about conjunctions, different kinds of conjunctions, example and uses of conjunctions. Let's start our topics. Conjunction. Conjunctions are words that link other words, phrases, or clauses together. Conjunctions are known as connective or linking words. Example: she is kind, so she helps people. Ram went swimming although it was raining. Red color words so and although. Example of conjunction. Kinds of conjunction: subordinating conjunctions, coordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions are used to join a subordinate dependent clause to a main clause. Some subordinating words: after, although, as if, as long as much as soon as though, because, before, by the time, even if, even though, if, in order that, in case, etc. Example: I can stay out until the clock strikes 12. Before he leaves, make sure his room is clean. Coordinating conjunctions. A coordinating conjunction joins part of a sentence that are grammatically equal or similar. I like tea and coffee. Television is a wonderful escape, but it interferes with my writing. Coordinating conjunctions short technique. Fan, voice. Ete for, ete and, ente nor, bite bird, ote or, yte eight, este so. Correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions work in pairs to join together words or phrases that have equal importance within a sentence. He not only plays the guitar but also the drums. She would rather play the drums than sing. Some correlative conjunctions: either or, neither nor, not, but, and not only but also. Thank you very much for watching the video.